it's itching like crazy, you can't sleep at night, and you have strange markings all over your skin. If this sounds familiar, you might be suffering from a common irritating skin condition called scabies. Don't worry, you're not alone, and in today's video I'll share how to get rid of scabies at home. Whether you're looking to relieve the constant itch fast or to ultimately eliminate the scabies mite's cause, I've got multiple effective scabies treatment secrets to show you. You'll discover my top 8 scabies home remedies that use items you likely have in your pantry and medicine cabinet. From soothing relief with oatmeal baths and essential oils, to killing the scabies mites themselves with items like tea tree oil, I'll go through each option. You'll learn the quickest ways to both ease the symptoms and address the root cause. Oatmeal baths. Soaking in an oatmeal bath can provide fast relief when itching and skin irritation from scabies strikes. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found naturally in oatmeal can help calm the inflammation and pain associated with irritated skin caused by scabies. 1. Baking soda. Applying baking soda baths or baking soda solutions topically to scabies-infested areas can help curb itchiness and irritation by helping to balance and neutralize the skin's pH levels. 1. This can reduce redness and swelling quickly. 2. Essential oils. Oils like tea tree, clove, turmeric and thyme not only provide soothing relief from itch and irritation, they contain antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties that can help begin eliminating the root cause, the scabies mites themselves. 3. Permethrin cream. This prescription treatment kills scabies mites with often just a single application. 3. However, it can come with side effects, so natural options are also extremely effective. 4. DIY pesticides. Creating homemade pesticide solutions using ingredients like neem oil or ground neem leaves can exterminate scabies mites by disrupting their life cycle and reproduction in a completely natural way. 5. Aloe vera gel. The soothing, healing properties of aloe vera make it the perfect solution for helping heal the sores, lesions and skin burrow wounds left behind by scabies in addition to providing soothing relief. 6. Skin hygiene. Keeping skin clean, dry and frequently washing clothing and bedding ensures mites have nowhere to easily lay eggs and breed, helping disrupt the infestation. 6. The key remedies provide both immediate symptom relief while also tackling the underlying cause of the scabies mites themselves, through natural pesticides and skin healing. 6. Combining multiple approaches results in the best outcome.